Aave may post a 12% rise tomorrow, according to 30 rates. Before we begin, let's take a moment to look at the chart. Aave has risen 0.2% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $83.73. Let's see what the analysts predict today. Based on 30 rates' data, the price could hit $93.79 by tomorrow, an increase of roughly 12%. Gulf Capital Collector puts the target for Aave at $87.32, about 4.3% above current value. CoinDataFlow points out it could test the $83.67 level lower, a downward move of 0.1%. A separate projection from Digital Coin Price suggests Aave could head down towards $79.85, roughly 4.6% lower than now. To conclude, crypto predictions points towards $66.42 by tomorrow, a drop of 20.7%. This is the highest yield forecast we've reviewed. The outlooks are complete. Let's see the broader view. All forecasts considered, here's the overall summary. The gathered forecasts put the possible move between a decline of 20.7% and a rise of 12%. From all predictions, Crypto Predictions takes the lead with 20.7% gain in value by tomorrow. That makes it possible to bring in between $1 and $207 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probabilities, CoinDataFlow's forecast stands above the rest, showing a 97.6% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. The consensus scenario puts Aave on course for about 1.8% decline. Here's what it looks like up close. The consensus outlook indicates a 1.8% fall in price by tomorrow. By the same percentage, your capital could likewise expand. A 1,000 setup might point to a potential $18 increase. In addition, the probability tied to this consensus forecast is around 94.6%. To continue, let's examine the short-term 3-day expectations. 30 rates expects Aave to rise over the next few days. Also, Gulf Capital Collector sees the price heading higher. Similarly, CoinDataFlow projects continued upside pressure. Digital Coin Price expects Aave to fall. Likewise, Crypto Predictions projects weaker prices ahead. Looking across forecasts, the consensus suggests Aave won't move far from present prices. In summary, most forecasts align on a bullish view, suggesting Aave could continue trending higher in the near term. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today we review their accuracy. Ultimately, the final settlement was $82.48. Yesterday's market showed that most forecasts captured the trend correctly. If we focus on accuracy, the top spot goes to CoinDataFlow. Let's piece it together. None of the 5 predictions were within the candle's move. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and CoinDataFlow had the highest return at 14.3%. Here's the full overview. All forecasts verified and compared. As indicated in the data, CoinCodex achieved 14.3% ROI and $10.1 accuracy. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. Let's see how tomorrow's predicted profitability looks when compared with a few other assets. In the latest forecast comparison, Aave stays below Chainlink, which projects 3.9% return. This section includes just 5 cryptocurrencies, and additional forecasts across many assets are already available on my website. That's the end of today's update. If this helped you, please like the video. It's the best feedback you can give. Catch you in the next forecast.